Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive west on I-12 in part 3 of a 4-part series filmed on October 9th, 2022. We begin in Tanigpahoa Parish at mile marker 44 as we enter the city of Hammond. Hammond is the largest city in Tanigpahoa Parish with a population of 19,584. We're approaching exit 42, the first Hammond exit from the east, leading to Chapapila State Park and the Hammond Regional North Shore Airport via Louisiana Highway 3158 Airport Road. Exit 40 leads to Southeastern Louisiana University via US Highway 51 Business, which was the route of the US 51 main line prior to the construction of I-55. US 51 Business is locally named Veterans Avenue to the south and Southwest Railroad Avenue to the north, and serves as Hammond's north-south Main Street. The US 51 main line does separate from I-55 through Hammond and crosses I-12 without an interchange a mile and a half ahead just before the I-55 interchange. I-55 connects with I-12 via an antiquated cloverleaf interchange at exits 38A and B. We run into some more congestion here because for some reason nobody has deemed it prudent to widen the interstate here or redesign this interchange that obviously doesn't have the capacity for the volume of traffic that it has to handle. Exit 35 connects with Louisiana Highway 1249, leading to the unincorporated communities of Baptist and Pumpkin Center, the latter being one of those curious names that isn't quite as unique as most people would think. There are 14 communities named Pumpkin Center in the United States. We enter Livingston Parish, named for Edward Livingston, an American jurist and statesman who assisted in the drafting of the Louisiana Civil Code of 1825. The parish had a population of 142,282 as of the 2020 census. We've now entered the Baton Rouge Metropolitan Statistical Area. Exit 32 connects I-12 with LA 43 and the towns of Springfield and Albany. This exit is also signed for Tanigpahoa State Park, which is around 13 miles to the south. Exit 29 leads to Louisiana Highway 441 in the community of Holden, which is to the north on US Highway 190. We conclude today's video here at mile marker 25. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.